Land exemplary cost is supposed to reach as high as $0.000314 toward the finish of 2023. Lunc cost could flood to a limit of $0.00212 toward the finish of 2030. Perhaps of the greatest catastrophe the business might at any point confront. The crypto business was left complimented when the fall of land nearly cleared out $60 billion off of the market valuation. Various elements were engaged with this accident, and market controllers and mass vendors assumed a significant part in this move. The land exemplary cost has now again gotten the eyes of financial backers, with the assistance of its presentation. Lock in as we translate the future and conceivable land Lunc cost forecast 2023-2025 and the years to come. This occasion, which has been over the top for financial backers and advertisers, has carried incredible figuring out how to future financial backers. The crypto then was land, Luna, presently land exemplary, Lunc, has the coin's 908.46% flood from the fall recaptured the trust it once had, or on the other hand will it break down? Land exemplary value forecast 2023-2030. What is land exemplary? Lunc, land presently land exemplary is a blockchain convention sent off in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Duquan. The computerized resource was made with a dream to change the cutting-edge economy's adaptability. According to the white paper, land exemplary utilizes a cost adjustment calculation. Besides, it continually balances the inventory of a coin, determined to keep the cost stable. Furthermore, the organization offers lower expenses, high versatility, solidness, and dependable monetary resources. Besides, the convention's local resource is Lunc, which tends to a large group of issues connected with speed, versatility, and openness. Land exemplary value conjecture 2023. Land Radicals is a decentralized association having met up with the shared objective for the land exemplary environment. Their motivation is to carry back solidarity to land exemplary it once had. The Land Radicals are presently dealing with carrying the Lunc cost to $1 mark. Numerous occasions and overhauls are anticipated for the current year, and endeavors to made to balance out this crypto. Land exemplary may observe a significant move by large cash holders or whales during the Q1 2023 and attempt to support above $0.0002 until the half-yearly close, further keeping an outstanding rise. Lunc cost could attempt to wipe out a zero from its cost until the yearly close. Also, the computerized token could hit its expected high of $0.000314 toward the finish of 2023. Then again, on the off chance that the task succumbs to the bears, land exemplary cost could land at least $0.000255. Additionally, compelled by direct energy, the typical cost could be $0.000289. Land value expectation 2024. Land exemplary cost could rise to a limit of $0.000488. In any case, assuming it figures out how to clutch its conspicuousness against that of land, Luna. In any case, if the crypto business goes through significant changes with administrative clampdowns by legislatures across the globe. Alternately, Lunc cost could sink down to the low of $0.000385. Thusly, the normal cost can be anticipated at $0.000431. Lunc value forecast 2025. Besides, the coin market industry will spectate various changes toward the finish of 2025. Land exemplary could see force from the group and may concoct a restoration plan. Nonetheless, the land exemplary cost could chug up to $0.000675 toward the finish of 2025. Conversely, in the event that the computerized resource finds an absence of improvements and force, the Lunc cost could land to $0.000512. Furthermore, the normal cost could be at $0.000592. Lunc value forecast 2026-2030. Land exemplary estimate 2026. As indicated by our investigators, Lunc expectation for the year 2026 could go between $0.000633 to $0.000801, and the typical land cost could be around $0.000728. Lunc value expectation 2027. As per our examiners, land cost for the year 2027 could run between $0.000754 to $0.000917, and the typical land exemplary cost could be around $0.000843. Lunc expectation 2028. As per our investigators, land's cost forecast for the year 2028 could run between $0.0000987 to $0.00130, and the typical cost of Lunc could be around $0.00118. Land value expectations 2029. As indicated by our investigators, Lunc's conjecture for the year 2029 could go between $0.00116 to $0.00165, and the typical cost of land exemplary could be around $0.00141. Land exemplary value expectation 2030. As indicated by our experts, land cost expectations for the year 2030 could go between $0.00148 to $0. Land exemplary value forecasts the consistent overhauls and organizations could anyway help the cost of land exemplary Lunc. Besides, as indicated by figured out land exemplary cost forecast, also, with bullish market opinions, Lunc costs might skyrocket to $0.000314 before the year is over 2023. Alternately, market vacillation and expanded contest may antagonistically influence land's Lunc cost, because of which the advance resource could implode to $0.000255. Central investigation. With the assistance of its fiat fixed stablecoins, land expects to separate itself with the assistance of its fiat fixed stablecoins. Thus, it joins the advantages of digital forms of money with the everyday value dependability of government-issued types of money. Besides, the convention holds various organizations with installment stages, which legitimize its assets. On the other hand, land is additionally upheld by the Land Union. In the meantime, in February 2019, the organization detailed online business stages from 10 distinct nations with a client base of 45 million. Besides, a gross products worth of $25 billion were individuals from the coalition. After the land crash, the crypto relaunched itself. Land had another form known as Land Luna 2.0, Dollar Luna, while the old rendition would be known as Land Luna Exemplary, Dollar Lunc. The cost essentially fell after an underlying ascent. Binance has deliberately begun to consume the tokens to take it back to strength. Authentic market opinions 2019-2022. The crypto first appeared in the market with an underlying ICO of $0.8 per exchange esteem. With the assistance of an organization, the coin figured out how to reach $1 interestingly, with an ATH of $1.313 by end of July. There was an immense misfortune when the coin esteem was hauled down to $0.2588 per exchange before the year is over. The year got going dull, as the cost had gotten going with an exchanging worth of $0.231. No significant changes were found in the cost of crypto for the following portion of the year. The posting of Huobi assisted the coin with acquiring X2 worth to $0.5632 per share. The crypto had finished the exchanging year with a decent outcome, as the end exchange cost was $0.6525 for that year. The year of bullish market, the worth of the coin soared to $20